Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video, I finally am getting around to it. I am super excited. Y'all, my review on the Fall 2.0 collection. I don't know why Toasted Praline Pears over there. Y'all part one. We don't care about y'all no more. Okay, it's part two. The newest collection that came out for fall from Bath & Body Works. So I am here to review the entire collection for you. I am super excited to be recording this video because I have my thoughts and my opinions on it. And I've been commenting. Can I talk? Is this a sprinkler? Okay, sound like a sprinkler system, okay? But I've been commenting on other people's videos of what I think of the smells and what I think they are. And now it's finally time for me to make my own video, okay? So here's my video. Hey guys. Okay, anyway, remember, if you're not subscribed, that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you are a part of the family, okay? Okay, I think we have what, 32,100, or I don't even know how many subscribers I got, but it don't matter because I still want more people to watch me because I like having friends and I need friends, okay? So come be my friend. Subscribe to the channel. It is free, and turn on your notification bell so you get notifications. So I'm just going to first start off with the first one, which is Autumn Nights. Autumn Nights looks just like this. Love the packaging of the clear with the turquoise, with having all the little leaves on it and all that. I think this is really pretty. So Autumn Nights packaging is really cute. I like the writing on the mist. It is really pretty. Now what I don't like is that it's like baby wipes. Like seriously, I comment on everybody who says they kind of like it. It smells just like baby wipes, and I can't get over that smell for nothing. So if you're a mom or you're thinking about being a mom, or if you like the smell of baby wipes, you definitely will like Autumn Nights. It is very light. It is very nice. It's nice for a night out, but to me, it reminds me so much of baby wipes. It's my least favorite out of all the ones that came out. And this is just the cream that goes with. It came with the Ultra Shea Body Cream. And the key notes to it is toasted tonka bean, warm amber, vanilla orchid is the notes in it. And y'all, just to me, it smells like a baby wipe. If you want a baby wipe smell, this is what you want. And I know Nicole No Fire said the same thing, baby wipes. And I'm 100% with her. This smells just like baby wipes. I had the shower gel with it too. I took it back and exchanged it because I could not get over the baby wipe smell. And I don't want to shower with baby wipes. I just don't. But this two-part of the set, I'm definitely going to use it. But this is my least favorite just because it smells like baby wipes. So that's my least favorite. So we're going to talk about Bonfire Bash. A lot of y'all were so happy and excited that Bonfire Bash made a comeback. Y'all were like, please let it come back out. Let it come back out. I know I was in Victoria's Secret over the summer at the SAS, and the lady was like, oh my God, I hope they bring Bonfire Bash back this fall. I was like, oh my God, everybody was really feeling it. And last year I was kind of feeling it because I had the shower gel and that was it. And then when I ran out of it, I was like, oh, I kind of liked it. So I made sure I got the whole Bonfire Bash line. Like this is two-part of it, and I got the lotion somewhere. Where's the lotion? Here it is. The lotion is right here. I have to say my packaging of the lotion is my favorite from the Bonfire Bash. Let me just go over the notes with you. It's vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. And yes, I say bourbon. I don't know why I can't say bourbon, because I just have to be a little extra with it and call it bourbon, okay? If you don't like it, sorry, but it's bourbon in my book. A lot of people keep asking, is it like Marshmallow Fireside? Are they the same? No, ma'am. Marshmallow Fireside and Bonfire Bash are not the same. Sorry, they're not. It says here, a crackling campfire, cozy flannels all around, marshmallows toasting, the gooey perfection is what's in this. But I don't get a lot of that gooey marshmallow. To me, Bonfire Bash is extremely strong. It is a very strong scent. Yes, a very strong smoky scent. So if you like scents like that, you will like Bonfire Bash a lot. I just wanted to get it all because I know when I ran out of the shower gel last year, I just was fiending for more in my life, just the scent of it, and I don't know why. So this year I made sure I had the whole line. And the packaging, again, is really cute. The smoky gray packaging with the leaves on it. I absolutely love it. The way that Bonfire Bash is written, it's really cute. Again, the shower gel, really pretty. Like They knew what they were doing when it came to packaging this year. Like, the packaging is uber cute and I absolutely love it. It's a great way to get people to buy because the packaging's cute. But I think for the winter line, they should have never went with this same theme. And I guess it's the winter transition line that's going to be coming out, and they have this kind of theme with it, and I think they should have let it go with fall. It was cute for fall. Going into winter, I don't think they should have repeated this, because that Winterberry Wonder and the cashmere snow and cashmere having this packaging, it made 0 sense. So Bath and Body Works, you had it and then you lost it. The next line we're going to talk about, this is Sweater Weather, and I always call it, I think it's called Sweater Weather, and I call it Sweater Weather. I don't know why I call it that. And sometimes I try to catch myself and say, okay, Tina, it's sweater weather. But I just like saying sweater weather. Like, there's supposed to be an H in there, and they didn't know it was supposed to be there, but I'm adding it anyway. So we're just gonna call it sweater weather. And this is sweater weather, and this is what it looks like. Really cute. I have to say, sweater weather, whatever you want to call it, has the prettiest packaging. Because look, guys, it has the pumpkins on it and everything, and it just embodies fall. I think this was the cutest packaging of all of them in the 2.0, because I call this line the fall 2.0. And the notes in it is sun, crisp apple, autumn leaves, orchard woods. I actually have the body cream in it, and I have the body lotion. And I figured I'm going to use the cream first, and then I'm going to use the lotion. El Monet was talking about some sweater weather smells like you just had a whole bunch of wet leaves put on you and you're drenched in wet leaves. And I was like, girl, no, you're not talking about my sweater weather. Because y'all, I have to admit, sweater weather is my favorite out of the whole new line of the 2.0. I don't know why, but I'm in love with it. It is amazing. It smells amazing. Like, let me just, I don't get wet leaves. Who else get wet leaves? You know, let me know in the comments below if you get wet leaves from sweater weather. I don't. And if you don't check out my sis El Monet, check her out. I'll leave her information below. Her channel is popping, y'all. A lot of stuff, a lot of hauls and stuff like that. She goes to Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secrets. She brings hauls, and I love her channel, so definitely check her out. But sweater weather, ooh, something about this. I absolutely love it. Like, y'all, whole line right here, right here. Absolutely love it. I was so happy they brought it back. And people keep asking me, Tina, is it anything like the candle? No, ma'am. It's nothing like the candle. And I'm actually happy it's not like the candle, because I have the car pod and it's like the candle. And sometimes that smell gets overwhelming. Like, sometimes I'm like, when I get in the car, it kind of chokes me out. So I'm happy that the body care was a little bit different. But sweater weather is my jam. And then the last one, guys, I have a full video on this. If you wanted to see the full video, definitely check it out. This is the Pink Velvet Cupcake. I have to tell you this, Pink Velvet Cupcake was my favorite until I got back into sweater weather, and I was like, ooh, I like her. So this took a backseat to sweater weather. Sorry. But I have a whole review on it, comparing it to Amber Blush, comparing it to Velvet Sugar. So definitely make sure you check that video out. But the packaging on it is really cute, girly. This can be worn year round. I don't think the fall time was an appropriate time to put this out. I really don't, because we want pumpkin cupcake back. Don't give us something with cupcake in the name, and don't make it not, okay? And not make it pumpkin cupcake. Like, where they do that at? They should have just not came out with this, because it smells just like berries. I told y'all that in the review. Just so you get the keynotes, it's sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and sugar praline. Y'all, this can be worn year round. It's really nice, but I'd rather have had pumpkin cupcake instead of this. And I wish they would listen to us. Like Bath and Body Works, listen to us. We want pumpkin cupcake. Stop it. Stop playing with our emotions. Stop playing with our lives, and bring us pumpkin cupcake. Like, I seen it on Amazon where I could pay $37 and get pumpkin cupcake. But y'all, I ain't trying to spend $37 to get a spray. I spent $37 and got everything I showed you right there. Like, why would I spend $37 just to get a spray? Where they do that at? I'm not gonna do it. So Bath and Body Works, listen, we want it back. Bring it to us. We want it. Bring it to us, okay? So yeah, that's my review. Let me go from least favorite to favorite so you guys know. My least favorite is Autumn Nights. Just because it just has that baby powder smell to me, and I don't want to be out smelling like my kids when I'm out on the town. You know, you out in the town, you smell like your kids. So you twerking and having your hot girl summer and Tina Snow winter, and you smell like baby wipes. No, can't do it. So that's my least favorite. Then it's Bonfire Bash, because Bonfire Bash can be extremely strong and give you a headache. So that's why it took the 3rd spot. But it's still good. It's not that it's a bad scent. I like it, but it ain't my favorite, okay? My second, this is the Red Velvet Cupcake. Again, because you can wear it year round. I like that fact. Didn't fit with a fall theme whatsoever, but I like the red berry scent. It's really nice. But my fave, Sweater Weather. I know a lot of people may not agree with this. I know a lot of y'all think I'm nuts, but Sweater Weather is my favorite scent. And one reason why is because I can't say it right. Second reason why, it just smells that good. I don't know what it is about it, but this is gonna be my go-to fall scent, even though it's 100 degrees outside right now. But who cares? It's 100 degrees. It's still fall. Fall. It is fall. Even though it's 100 degrees outside and I'm wearing shorts right now. It's fall. It's about to be fall, right? Right? So that's it, guys. That is everything I have to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you want the reviews to keep coming, make sure you subscribe and turn your notification bell on, because that's the only way you're going to know when I upload a Bath & Body Works video. Bath & Body Works videos will never stop on this channel, and I love all the response I got from the Bath & Body Works haul. Thank you guys for feeling how I was feeling and understanding where I'm coming from. And Bath & Body Works just needs to step it up in the body care department. I 100% agree that the body care is not where it needs to be. Like, it's nice. Some of the returners are really nice, but I need something brand new. I need something that's gonna knock my socks off. Like, make me think, dang, I need that line. Like, oh, I need it. And I know they got some new aromatherapy that just dropped. If you follow Scents Galore on Instagram, bomb. Follow her, she's bomb. She was showing the new aromatherapy that just dropped. It's like the candles match the body care. Bomb. I gotta get it eventually. I'm gonna wait until my no buy is over, and then I think if they have aromatherapy sale at that time, then I'll get it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm rambling now. I'm gonna get off here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.